Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build Verso in Expedition 33. It's what the community would call the machine gun Verso, because of how much he can dish out free aims that can melt down enemies without even using up your turn. My Verso right now has exactly 450 Lumina points on him, which I guess is extremely excessive. These are all the pictos that I have on him that can make this build possible. But in case you don't have this much Lumina, the core pictos that you really need to make the synergy happen is the Energy Master, Energizing Shot, Accelerating Shot, and Energizing Rush. And if you do have any other pictos that involves getting AP, then just add them on, because there should be some pictos that give additional AP once per turn. The weapon we're going to be using for this will be the Contorso, but you can also use Nosaram because of its synergy with free aim shots. The Contorso strikes lightning on enemies whenever you crit, so you're better off with high crit rates on your picto. And with that, you have yourself a Verso that shoots like a machine gun. Just make sure to have the follow-up on your skills. Use this before you finish your turn to finish off what's left of your enemy, if they're still standing. And that's how to build Verso in Expedition 33.